Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss a select class. Okay, so in the website there is some drop down if available, and we need to select any value from the drop down. So how we can achieve it? Okay, so that is today's topic. So I have already uploaded a part 1 video on this. So if you haven't watched that, I will request everyone, please go and watch that video first. Then this is the part 2 video. Okay, so if there is any drop down and select class is available, means the select tag is available, then we can create the object of select class, right? And there are three methods available, that is select by value if we passing the value, or select by index, or select by visible text. So this I already discussed, so I am not going in detail explanation on this. Okay, I request everyone, please watch that video. Okay, part 1. Now I'm coming to the second part. Okay, there is another option available in the select class, that is get option. Okay, so I'm going through this video. So if you could see driver equal to new Chrome driver, we are initializing the driver, and here we are creating the reference variable of WebDriver, right? Then we are using implicitly wait of 10 seconds, and this is the syntax driver.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait duration of second. Then we are opening the website, that is driver.get. Okay, then we are using JavaScript executor and creating an object, and we are scroll by. So I have also created another video on JavaScript executor and discuss some of the methods, okay, commonly used method. So that is also very important means topic. There could be many questions asked in the automation testing interview related to JavaScript. So that is also, if you haven't watched that video, I would request each and everyone, please go and watch that video. Okay. Okay, so I'm coming to the topic. Then we are maximizing the window. So driver.manage.window.maximize. Then we are identifying the drop down locator. Okay, so let's come to the website first. So this is the website. Okay, let me refresh it. So if you scroll down, so there is a drop down available, right? So if you do inspect element, okay, so this is the id, so this is id we are storing, okay, in the web element e1. Okay, with the we are identifying this element by the locator id. Then we are clicking on that. Okay, so if you could see, we are clicking on that, and there are four options available: automation testing, performance testing, manual testing, and database testing. Okay, so we here also we could see automation testing, then performance testing, then manual testing, then database testing, right? So then we are using thread.sleep. Okay, and then we are creating a object select s1 equal to new select, and we are passing this web element, passing this web element in this select class. Okay, then there is a option available in the select class, that is get option. So if you give a dot, and then if you could give get, then you could see all the options. So here, from here we are selecting get options. Okay, so if you give get option, what will happen, whatever the options available in the drop down, all the option will be stored in the list of web element. So there are four options available, right? So four options will be stored in the list of web elements. Okay, and we are creating the object L1. Then we are using for each loop. Okay, and for each element we are storing the text value. Okay, get using get text method in a string variable. So e dot get text we are storing in the string variable. So there will be four value for, so four time loop will continue, and we are checking whether this value, this string value, is equal to manual testing. So our requirement is to select the manual testing from this drop down. Okay, so that's why we have given manual testing, and then we are clicking on once there is a match. Okay, when the this string value means the get text value equal to manual testing, that time we are clicking on it. So means we are clicking manual testing. Okay, and then we are waiting for 3 seconds so that whatever the changes is happening, that we are able to check. Okay, else it will be very fast, and then we are breaking it. So once there is match, it will not continue the for loop, it will break from this for loop and come out from this for loop. Okay, because our already condition is match. Okay, so our requirement is fulfilled, so that's why it will break from the loop. Okay, and then we are using after method tear down, so driver dot quit, so it will close all the open session. Okay, so let's run it, let's see the result first. So here I'm mentioning enable equal to false, I'm just giving it true. Okay, by default it is true. If we mention enable equal to false, that means while test execution this method will not get executed. Okay, so let's run it. Clicking on the drop down, then manual testing is getting selected, then we are closing it, and this is passed, right? This is passed. So in that manner we can do that. We can give any other value also other than manual testing. Suppose we want to give performance testing. Okay, that also possible. Let's give that value also. Let's see if the code is working as per expectation. So now we are giving, now from the drop down performance testing should get selected. So let's run it. It click on the drop down, and then performance testing is getting selected. Okay, so in this manner also we can select the value from the drop down. Okay, other than the three methods, okay, which I discussed in part 1, visible by text, visible by uh, select by text, select by index, and select by visible text. Okay, select by value. So these three methods, so from that also we can do, and using get option also we can do. Okay, so please practice it. So there is another method. Okay, one second, I'm giving it as false. Okay, so next time if I run it, it won't get executed. Now I'm coming to the another method. So sometimes this type of question is asked, okay, in the interview. So how we can select any value from the drop down without using select class. So that is also very important question. So that time how we can do that. Okay, so till then everything is same. The code I already explained, so I am not explaining it. We are initializing, then the driver, then we are using implicitly wait. Okay, to wait for 10 seconds till the web element gets loaded, then we are opening the URL, we are using JavaScript executors to scroll down, then maximizing the screen, then this is the drop down locator. Okay, and we are clicking on that. So means till this one we are clicking on that. Okay, refresh it. We are clicking on that. Okay, now what we are doing, we are sending e1 dot send keys. We are using send keys method, and here we are giving keys dot arrow down. So thrice we are doing. Okay, arrow down, arrow down, arrow down, and we are giving a difference of, means with a gap of 3 seconds between each arrow down. Okay, so suppose we are clicking on that, and then we are giving one arrow down, second arrow down, third arrow down. Okay, if we know our requirement and how many arrow down we need to give. Okay, so that time we have given that arrow down. Okay, so like that also we can do that. So if we give thrice, okay, then database testing will get selected. So like that. So that is also an important question. So let's run it. I'm giving as true. First performance testing, then manual testing, then database testing. Okay, so here we need to know that where how many arrow down we need to do. Okay, so in that manner also we can select the value from the drop down without using select class. Okay, so this is also very important question, that how we can select any value from drop down without using select class. So that time we have to use send keys. Okay, send keys dot arrow down. So in that manner we can select the value, right? So that's all for today. Okay, please practice it. That is very important question and important interview question. And also, if you haven't watched the part 1 video, I would request first watch the part 1 video, then second you can watch this video. Okay, so there is we have discussed on the select class and the other methods. Okay, so that's all for today, and I would request everyone, please subscribe my channel, okay, and hit the bell icon. Okay, so you will get notification once I upload any video. Okay, and share with your friends and families, okay, whoever is preparing for automation testing interview or want to learn Java or automation testing. Okay, and also comment your thoughts, or if you need videos on any other topic, so that also you can let me know, so I will try to make a video on that topic. Okay, like my videos. So that's all for today. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you all. Again tomorrow I will come with another video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.